Welcome to the Wealth Exec. Let's reach your goals together. I'm Carrie Amaro, and I created the Wealth Exec as a platform to help on a grander scale, a place where I can bring my 15 plus years of experience as a controller, CFO, and help business owners, executives, actually anyone interested in learning more. I hope you're enjoying the 12 Business Days Till New Year series. We are on day 6. Our topic today is to hire or not to hire an accountant. I was sitting with a client of mine, and she was so frustrated with the fact that she cannot find and hold on to an experienced accountant that works. And I asked her, what are you specifically looking for? And she laughs and she goes, Carrie, obviously I'm looking for reconciliations, analysis, budgets, projections, and cash flows. That's not the point. And I said, no, that's not the point. My question is, what are you looking for? What type of business owner are you? Are you looking for someone to simply do bookkeeping functions, or are you looking for an ally in your business? Once you can determine that, then we can work on determining what traits, what past experience are you looking for. You know, one of the things in the past 15 years of being a controller, over 15 years of being a controller, and quite frankly, a single mom for over 20 years, is the realization that not only do you need a technical skill, but you need the emotional intelligence to have insight, self-perception, an ability to deal with stress, decision making, understanding that every individual has a way of self-expression. And as a leader, whether that is as an accountant or even as an owner, actually, let me step back, even as a simple employee in a business, that interpersonal skill, the ability to work together, will create optimal performance. And that is why the Wealth Exec's goal is to provide a resource where technical skill and emotional intelligence can come together. Sorry to go off in a bit of a tangent, but as I was talking to Carol, I realized that the reason why she wasn't able to hold on to controller or anyone that she hired for that matter was because she didn't take the time out to really understand what she was looking for and what were the traits and the experiences that she was looking to bring into her organization. Was she looking for someone to simply do data entry, or was she seriously looking for an ally? Once she was able to discover this, then she was able to look at the traits and experiences that she was looking for in a candidate. And this is why I created day 6, to hire or not to hire an accountant. That is the question. Kidding again. Once you've decided these things, once you've reflected and are able to kind of understand where you stand as an owner or as an executive of an organization or a department, you can start identifying what are the business needs. Not only identify those needs, but define that criteria. Okay, I want to step back because these tips that I'm going over with you and this mindset that I'm going over with you, you can use it at any level in your company to hire and make assessments over what you need. But for right now, we're concentrating on the accounting department, or the controller position, or a bookkeeper role, or whether you should be going and looking at possibly keeping things in-house, but using an outside accounting firm to do all of this type of analysis. So once you're able to identify at what level you are trying to bring in an accountant or anyone to do anything with your books, you can then start identifying criteria for that function. With the PDF that's attached to this podcast, I provided you a place where you can jot all of this information down, where you can use this workbook in the process of interviewing. You can keep track of the candidates that are, in fact, the candidates that you want to bring back for a second interview. And it also allows your HR department the ability to properly document your interview process. Now, many people say, I don't even know where to start looking. I don't even know where to begin. A lot of people take and quite frankly talk to their peers, talk to their lawyers, their accountants, other organizations that they know of, anyone that can guide them in the right way to hire the right person. But if you're not able to do that, following the items that we discussed today in the podcast and the PDF, you'll be in good shape. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. If you've missed any of the last 5 podcasts or PDFs, please feel free to visit my site at thewealthexec.com, or you can scroll down to the social media platform you're on and you'll find them there. Please submit any topics or questions you would like me to discuss in the remaining days of the 12 business days till the new year. This is The Wealth Exec. Let's reach your goals together. Until tomorrow.